Welcome to Fluentors. This is day 3 of our 5-minute English shadowing practice. Today, you'll practice real-life questions you can use every day, at work, with friends, or in daily situations. Listen and speak at the same time. Each sentence is spoken twice. First, natural speed. Second, slightly slower for shadowing. Then pause and speak by yourself. Relax, focus on the rhythm, and enjoy speaking. Let's begin. Can I talk to you for a moment? Can I talk to you for a moment? What are you working on right now? What are you working on right now? Is now a good time to talk? Is now a good time to talk? How was your day today? How was your day today? What do you usually do after work? What do you usually do after work? Good job. Let's continue. Are you busy at the moment? Are you busy at the moment? Where are you heading right now? Where are you heading right now? Did you get enough rest last night? Did you get enough rest last night? What time do you usually start your day? What time do you usually start your day? How do you usually spend your weekends? How do you usually spend your weekend? Do you mind if I ask you something? Do you mind if I ask you something? What do you think about this idea? What do you think about this idea? Have you done this before? Have you done this before? Is there anything I should know? Is there anything I should know? How long does it usually take? How long does it usually take? Can you tell me how this works? Can you tell me how this works? What's the best way to handle this? What's the best way to handle this? Do you feel comfortable with this plan? Do you feel comfortable with this plan? Would you like to try it together? Would you like to try it together? Is there another option we can consider? Is there another option we can consider? Could you explain that a little more? Could you explain that a little more? What would you suggest in this situation? What would you suggest in this situation? Do you think this will work? Do you think this will work? How did you feel about it? How did you feel about it?
What usually helps you stay focused? What usually helps you stay focused? Is there something I can improve? Is there something I can improve? Would you mind sharing your experience? Would you mind sharing your experience? What should I do differently next time? What should I do differently next time? How can I make this better? How can I make this better? What's one small step I can take today? What's one small step I can take today?
Well done! These are the kinds of questions real people use every day. Shadowing helps you speak smoothly, naturally, and with confidence. Practice this lesson daily. Subscribe to Fluentors and continue with day 4. I'll see you in the next session.